In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel as a calculator. Microsoft Excel is not just a tool for organizing data and creating complex spreadsheets. It can also function as a powerful calculator, allowing you to perform both simple and complex calculations directly within your worksheets. This feature can save you time and make your work more efficient, especially when you need to process multiple numbers quickly. Let's go through the process step by step so you can start using Excel for calculations with confidence. To begin, whenever you want to perform a calculation in Excel, you must start by typing an equal sign. This signals to Excel that you are entering a formula. For instance, typing equals 2 plus 2 and pressing Enter will display the result 4 in the cell. Similarly, if you want to multiply numbers, you can type equals 5 times 2, and Excel will return 10. Using this simple approach, you can handle addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with ease. It's important to remember that Excel follows the standard order of operations. Multiplication and division are performed before addition and subtraction, unless you specify otherwise using parentheses. For example, typing equals 5 plus 5 divided by 2 will give you 7.5 because Excel calculates the division first and then adds 5. If you want to control the order of operations, simply use parentheses to group calculations the way you need them evaluated. Many users are not aware that Excel can also handle fractions directly. To input a fraction, type the whole number followed by a space and then the fraction, such as 2 3/8. When you do this, Excel converts it automatically into a decimal value, which in this case would be 2.375. You can see the exact value displayed in the formula bar. If you prefer to see the number as a decimal in the cell itself, you can adjust the cell's formatting. Select the cell, go to the number format options, choose number, and then increase the number of decimal places to show the precise value. This allows you to control how your results are displayed without changing the underlying calculation. With these simple techniques, Excel becomes more than just a spreadsheet program. It acts as a versatile calculator capable of handling everything from basic arithmetic to fractions and complex expressions. By mastering these features, you can work faster and more accurately. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.